Dr. Zusammen. So today I'll explain you how to solve your A2 Schreiben question. Yes, Schreiben means writing question. So we have two tiles in Schreiben for A2, Tile 1 and Tile 2. And I've taken the sample question from Goethe-Zertifikat model paper. So these writing tasks are extremely short and simple, but still students do get confused. So that is why I thought to come up with this video. What to write, how to start, how to finish, how to form a concrete Schreiben sample for your exams. Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to understand the task, very important. Then comes what fixed phrases that you could use, and then how to write a good sample answer. Okay, so if we talk about the first example, we are writing an SMS to a friend. Okay, since it is an SMS, it would be informal writing. Correct? SMS is always an informal writing. So you're writing a text message to your friend. Now let us read the question. Sie sind unterwegs in der Stadt und schreiben eine SMS an ihre Freundin Ekaterini. So you are out in the city, you are somewhere out in the city, and you need to send a message to your friend. So what all you should include while writing your Schreiben, this is very important. You have 3 points here, right? The first one is you have to entschuldigen Sie sich, da Sie zu spät kommen. First, you have to apologize to your friend that you are coming late. Second important point is you have to write warum. Warum means why are you even late? And then third would be nennen Sie einen neuen Ort und eine neue Uhrzeit für das Treffen. So then you have to suggest a new place and a new time. So when you have to write an SMS, very important, understand the question. While understanding, figure out what all points do you have to cover. If you miss any one of the point now, your marks will be cut. So make sure you're covering all the 3 points that are asked. The first one is you have to say sorry for you being late. The second one is you have to give the reasoning that why you are late. And the third one is you have to suggest a new place and a time. So this video will be little longer, but please stick to till the end of this video as it will give you some fixed structures that you could use in your exam. You just have to replace the content with whatever is asked in the question, and rest everything will be perfect. Okay, if I talk about the sample answer for this question, it would be starting with hello, your friend's name, hello Ekaterini. Then it was asked that you have to first apologize, right? You have to apologize that you are being late. So, es tut mir wirklich leid. I am sorry, ich komme später. Es tut mir wirklich leid, ich komme später means I am sorry that I am coming late. Second was you have to give the reasoning why you are late. So what is the reasoning that has been provided? Der Verkehr ist sehr schlimm heute. Verkehr is the traffic. रोड पे बहुत ट्रैफिक है, मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गई हूँ, बस डिले हो गई है, ट्रेन मिस हो गई है. Any of it could be your reason for you being late. So you can say der Verkehr ist sehr schlimm heute. The third one, you have to suggest a alternative place and the alternative time. For that, what I have written is können wir uns bitte 6:30 im Park treffen. Now, because you could not meet at the time proposed by your friend, you are suggesting a new time and a new place where you all can meet. And the ending would be, you have to kind of close it in a way that ich hoffe, das ist okay. I hope that this is okay with you. Bis bald. And then you end the SMS. So the structure looks like this. Opening is always fixed. You start hello with the name of the person you're writing the SMS. Mostly it is you're asking sorry for something. It would be es tut mir leid, ich komme später. Es tut mir leid, ich kann nicht kommen, like you cannot come only. Then the second point is whatever you have to write in the middle line. In that you have to mostly give the reasoning. Here you have to give the reasoning why you are late. It could be like we have discussed that the Verkehr ist sehr schlimm heute. Okay, it could be der Bus hatte Verspätung. The bus had delayed. It was delayed. It could be Ich habe den Zug verpasst. I missed the train. Ich habe den Zug verpasst. Or you can say, ich bin noch im Bus. Ich bin noch im Büro. Ich bin noch im Supermarkt. You can give any of the reason of you not coming, of you not reaching on time, of you not acting according to what was being asked by your friend. ठीक. Third point is, we have to suggest a new place and a new time. So it would be, if you want to suggest a new place and a new time, like we have done, können wir uns im Café treffen? Können wir uns bitte so and so time? You will provide a time and then you will provide a place. You could also use this. This will look more that you are asking somebody's opinion. जैसे आपने time provide कर दिया, आपने provide कर दिया which place, alternative that you can meet. You can also say that for example, 17 Uhr passt es mir besser. At this time, it is more convenient for you. Ob ist es okay für dich? Whether it is okay for you. And then, ich hoffe, das ist okay is the closing statement that you can use, and that is fixed. You should write that. Ich hoffe, das ist okay. Bis bald, and then you end your SMS to your friend. Okay. What we did is we have included how we're sorry that we're not coming or we're coming late. Then you provide the reasoning for why you are late. And the third one would be you suggest a random different place and a different time. And then you end it by saying ich hoffe, das ist okay und bis bald. Klar? So I have also provided some useful Redemitels for this that you could read. So, es tut mir leid, ich komme später, I'm sorry, I'll be late. Second, when you are giving a reason, we have already discussed. It could be, ich bin noch im Büro, der Bus hatte Verspätung, or der Verkehr ist sehr schlimm heute, traffic is too bad, ich bin im Stau. What is Stau? Stau is traffic. So, you can say, ich bin im Stau. I am in traffic. I'm stuck in traffic. Then for the new place, können wir uns im Café treffen? Können wir uns im Park treffen? You can, say a random place and say a different time so that you could meet again. And how do you end it? You always end it by closing statement saying, ich hoffe, das ist okay. I hope that is okay. Bis bald. Bis bald means see you soon. Correct? So this was something that is a informal SMS. This is the Teil 1, okay? Teil 1, you always have to write an SMS to your friend. It is not very long. Okay? Keep this in 3 to 4 lines only. But please do not forget to include all the questions that are being asked. For example, here they have asked 3 questions. You have to include them and you have to write it in between 20 to 30 words. Do not expand it unnecessarily. Make sure whatever sentence you are writing are grammatically correct, are exactly what is being asked. Okay, do not write anything and everything here. Okay, so now Teil 2 is email to your chef. Teil 2 is something that is formal. SMS is informal, but the another one is formal. Email is formal. So what is our Aufgabe? What is our task here? The question that is being asked is, Ihr Chef, Herr Lehmann, hat bald Geburtstag. Your boss, Mr. Lehmann, has a birthday soon. Hat Ihnen eine Einladung zu seiner Feier geschickt. He has sent you an invitation for his birthday party. Now, here also you will be getting 2-3 questions that you will have to include in your email. What are those questions? First, bedanken Sie sich und sagen Sie, dass Sie kommen. You have to say thank you for the email and confirm that you will come. ठीक? Second is that you have to inform him that you are bringing somebody along with you, or you have to kind of mention that you are bringing someone. And third is you could ask for the direction. Now, this is one sample question, okay? It is not 100% fixed that you will get these 3 questions only, but somewhere around this only you will get in the exam. For example, here it is written, bedanken Sie sich und sagen, dass Sie kommen, that you have to thank him and then you tell him that you are coming. It could also be thank him and then tell him, unfortunately, you are not able to come. Then comes that you have to give the reasoning why you are not able to come. Okay, send your wishes why you're not able to, after you're not able to come, you have given the reasoning. Third is you could, send your wishes, and you could tell him that we could meet soon again in the office, or we could go together for coffee sometime later. So it could vary, but more or less this is formal. We have to write it keeping in mind that we're including all the points, and that too it should sound formal. Okay, it should not sound informal. Okay, now if I tell you the answer, Beispiel answer, that means a sample answer for this one, always and always start your email with sehr geehrter, the name of the man, or if you're writing to a female, it would be sehr geehrter and then the name of the lady, sehr geehrter and sehr geehrter. Clear? Then what you have to do is you have to say thank you, right? Thank you for the invitation. Thank you for the email. Any thank you you could do, because they have asked you bedanken Sie sich. That means say thank you for that. So vielen Dank für Ihre Einladung. Thank you for the invitation. And then you have to confirm that you are coming. So you'll say ich freue mich sehr und komme gern zur Feier. I'm really looking forward to it and I'll gladly come to your party. Ich komme gern zur Feier. Then the third one was you have to inform or to mention that you are bringing somebody along. Mitbringen means to bring along, right? So you have to inform and mention to your boss that you're bringing somebody along. You can say ich bringe meine Schwester mit. Ich bringe meine Frau mit. I'm bringing my sister along with me. I'm bringing my friend. I'm bringing my wife. Any of it you could include here. Then the third one was you have to ask about the Weg. Weg is the address or the location or the way. How do I reach to the particular address or your location? So for asking the direction, you could say, Können Sie mir bitte die Adresse schicken? Could you please send me the address? Or können Sie mir den Weg erklären? Could you please explain me the way? And how do you end it basically? Mit freundlichen Grüßen, and then you tell your name. Mit freundlichen Grüßen. This is fixed. This is fixed. Now if I talk about the structure of this one, it would be opening is fixed. Sehr geehrter Herr and then the name. Sehr geehrte Frau and the name. Then you thank you for the invitation. Vielen Dank für die Einladung. या फिर vielen Dank für die email. You say thank you for your invitation, thank you for the email. Then you have to tell your response. Either you are coming or you're not coming. If you're not coming, you give your reasoning also why you're not coming. So if you're coming, what do you say? Ich komme gern zur Feier. Ich komme gern zum Termin. Or you can say ich freue mich auf die Feier. I'm looking forward to the party, like we did here. Ich freue mich sehr. I am really looking forward to it and I'll come to the party. But if you want to say that sorry, it's not possible for me to come, you can say es tut mir leid. I'm sorry. Then you'll say tut mir leid. Yeah, then you'll say leider kann ich nicht kommen. Unfortunately, I cannot come. You can also add your es tut mir leid. That means I am sorry. Leider kann ich nicht kommen. Unfortunately, I cannot come. So, when you are not coming, you could also give a reasoning, right? Why you are not coming. For example, ich habe einen Termin mit dem Arzt. I have an appointment with the doctor. You can say that, right? Then the third one was additional information. Or the question, you can say that ich bringe meine Schwester mit, ich bringe meine Frau mit, and then you can ask for them, ask to the boss in a formal way, können Sie mir den Weg erklären? Could you please explain me the way? Could you please explain me the address? So können Sie mir die Adresse schicken? Could you please send me the address? You can also ask wann beginnt die Feier? When is the party starting? The time you can ask. Okay, and then when you close the email, you always say mit freundlichen Grüßen. this is fixed in formal ones, mit freundlicher Grüßen, and then you tell your name. So always remember, in the Goethe A2 exam, your Schreiben is tested for simple sentence structure. Okay, relevant points, very very important. I can't stress enough how important it is to include all the points, all the answers of the question that is being asked. जैसे हमने अभी किया, हर email में और SMS में there are 2 or 3 questions that is being asked. So make sure you're including that, right? And SMS is informal, email is formal. I have provided you some fixed structures. You could, make a sample structure for yourself. Start the opening, fixed. Middle, the content you of course have to write as per the question that is being asked, and the ending is fixed. So these fixed phrases will help you to save your time, and will also help you to avoid the mistakes. Because anyway, we have 3 to 4 sentences that we have to write in here. Usme bhi, if we make grammatical errors, that would be really difficult for us to pass the exam. So make sure we have fixed structures handy before the exam. But what you have to do is fill in the content part, and then we complete the Schreiben. Also, I have some Redemitels again here. We'll quickly go through it. It will be a revision of what we have studied so far, what we have discussed for the A2 Schreiben. If you have to apologize somebody for not coming on time, for missing the party, for missing the appointment, anything, you'll say, es tut mir leid, ich komme später. Es tut mir leid, ich kann nicht kommen. Es tut mir leid, again, leider kann ich nicht kommen. Unfortunately, I cannot come. Of course, if you are apologizing for certain thing, you have to give a reasoning for that. Reasoning would be, ich bin im Stau, I am in traffic. Ich bin noch im Büro, I am still in the office. Der Verkehr ist sehr schlimm. The traffic is really bad. So this is what we have discussed already. We're just going through a summary of what we have done so far. Then, if you have to give a reason, after that you can also give a excuse. If you are, you have to meet somebody, you have to reach to a particular location, and आपको time लग रहा है, delay हो रहा है. Then, der Verkehr ist schlimm, or ich bin im Stau. Then always suggest a new time, especially in the case of informal SMS. Können wir uns 17 Uhr treffen? Suggest a new time, suggest a new place. Then for the casual ending, for the SMS ending, what I have told you, ich hoffe, das ist okay, bis bald. I hope that is okay. See you soon. Now let's come to the email. Email was formal one. You write to your boss, you write to somebody with you share a formal relation. Firstly, how do you start? Sehr geehrter Herr, sehr geehrte Frau. Always ER with Herr and only E with Frau and the name of the person. Now, you thank somebody for the invitation, you thank somebody for the email. Vielen Dank für Ihre Einladung, vielen Dank für Ihre email. Then either it could be accepting the invitation or the email, or it could be declining the email or the invitation. Then vielen Dank für die Einladung, ich komme gern, ich freue mich sehr. And if you're declining, leider kann ich nicht kommen. Unfortunately, I cannot come. If you have to bring somebody along with you to the party, to the meeting, you can say, ich bringe meinen Freund oder meine Schwester or meine Frau mit. Any of it you could say. And then if you have to ask any of the additional information, for example, wann beginnt die Feier? When is the party starting? Können Sie mir den Weg erklären? Could you please explain me the way? Or können Sie mir die Adresse schicken? Could you please send me the address? And how do you close that? Always and always formal emails are closed with mit freundlichen Grüßen. Always end your email like that. Yeah, okay, so I hope this was helpful. I have provided you a good amount of Redemitels, a structure that could be used. Please keep it handy, make notes of the same, watch this video again, have a pen and notebook, try making notes on your own, and when you have the exam, you can use these Redemitels, you can use these structure, and you can actually score very well in your Schreiben exams. In the next video, I'll try to cover up the expression topic. some fixed structures for Sprechen for A2, and then as we move next, we'll also cover B1 exam pattern, how to write a B1 Schreiben nicely, how to prepare for B1 Sprechen. Please follow us, subscribe our channel, and we'll keep updating some useful content that will help you to excel in the German exam. And I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bis bald. Cheers.